Good morning, family. This is Linda. So today I harvest a lot of the stems from my Jamaican sorrels. And what I'm doing every day is just taking more and more of the stems off so I can take the fruit off and put them in a box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dehydrate a lot of my Jamaican sorrel. And this is how I preserve mine. So maybe about 2 months ago, I used the last of my Jamaican sorrel that I grew last year. So hopefully with this amount that I'm having here today, it could last me even longer next year, right? So I'm just gonna clean it all, peel it all, and just put it in my dehydrator. And then I'm gonna put it in a big quartz jar. That's the way I just have it sitting on the shelf waiting for me, right? But I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I thank you all for stopping by today. But this is just a vlog, a garden vlog of many of the things that I'm doing in my garden. So I like to keep myself busy, y'all, from one end of the garden to the next. Um, because really, from the garden to the kitchen, it all goes together, right? This is what we do from the garden to the kitchen. So uh, I like to keep myself busy in having all the things I need, preserving it, keeping it fresh as long as I could. Yeah. But this year, this sorrel is extremely healthy and very beautiful. I am so happy about it. It's very good. But listen, I want to share with you all this. Of course, this is my elderberry tree. She's really huge. Yeah, but I brought you over here for these, and these are my fig trees. So this is my LSU Gold. Now, there is some things that happens to my fig trees at the end of the season. They drop all their leaves. So all the leaves you're looking at on this LSU Gold are very new because she dropped all her leaves after she gave her last fruit. This is the purple. You see, she's bare. Now she's putting on some leaves on the back, but yeah, all her leaves dropped, and that's what happens here in my zone. This is Fiona, you all, right there. Now you may say she's so white. Yes, Fiona is my first air lay. My very first air lay. Thank you, Lad Farmer. Yeah. So she's about maybe 3 or 4 years old. I'm not sure. But she dropped her leaves, and as you can see, she's putting them back with fruits. Yeah, with fruits. And this is another brown turkey I have, and she dropped her leaves, but look, she is full of fruit again. She's full of fruit. This is my second brown turkey, and she is full of fruit also. Now there's some flowers in the bed next to her. They just beautiful, y'all. But yeah, she had dropped all her leaves, and now their leaves coming back, and they're bringing on new fruit. We'll talk about those fruits in another video, but let me share some of my harvest. So this is the last of my harvest that I did this season from all 5 of my trees. Now, I have preserved a lot of figs. I've given a lot away. And yeah, baby, I've eaten a lot of figs. So we have 4 bags of figs left. So today, not in this video, but Jada and I going to preserve 2 bags of figs. And yeah, I'm gonna introduce her to that steamer canner. And she is looking forward to it. She's excited, y'all. So this is butterfly pea flowers. I just dehydrated them in my dehydrator.
So I have some that I have, I shared earlier, of course, but these are the ones that I did this morning. Took about maybe 2 hours, maybe less. But I'm just going to add them to the rest. Let me share what it looks like. There it is. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Butterfly peas. All dehydrated and really cool. Boom. So, I need to dehydrate my Jamaican sorrel. Let's get some lettuce leaves, but they are really big. They're healthy. They're beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna have some shrimp wraps today. That's what we have for lunch. When Jada come home, Jada, when she get home, the child is like starving. She is starving when she. It's beautiful leaf, beautiful. And we'll get this one. Boom. All right. So we're not going to use all of these, but we're sharing with Jody. We give Jody some, right? All right, family. This is my lunch. So this is my lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, some honey butter shrimp. Yep, that's what that is. Wonderful. So I'm eating lunch early today. But why, you may say, is because I didn't eat breakfast and I'm hungry. So that's lots of onions and garlics and all that good stuff. But I'm really hungry, so I'm eating early. French bread. With cheese. That's what this is. And that is cream of soda. Save seeds, y'all. Yep. All right, guys, I'm going to eat. All right, see y'all later. Get out of there. So these are Mexican sunflowers. And you know, family, I never have to drop Mexican sunflowers in my garden because, yep, they always come back. So I'm going to harvest some So I can put some in our seed box. And for anyone who would like the opportunity to grow some, they will have that opportunity if you get that box. Let me sit down and I'm going to share with you how to get your seeds from these babies right here. All right. I don't have my tripod out here, but let me just share this with you, okay? First of all, this is a little prickly. I mean, it's not like a jabbing hurt, but yeah, it's a little prickly, okay? So if you're really sensitive, maybe you want to put on some gloves. I usually sometimes take scissors or something just to get them out, but you can get them out. So you see that white cap right there? Those white caps right there? That is the see that hurt it. That's the seed. So let me see. Can I do a little bit better? I'm gonna get these scissors right here. Let me bring it down low so you can kind of see it better. Okay, there you go. So that what we're looking at, like right here, that is the seed, and it's like a spear. It's like a spear. So I'm gonna just try to get. I got it. There you go. That's the seed, y'all. Right there. That's the seed. All right. That's it. And you just get them all out of that, just like that. Those pricks, these things here, yeah, they sticky. They're sticky. But all around there where you see those white caps, that is your seeds. Okay, so sometimes I just get a knife or something, just stick in there and just knock them out, you know. Yeah, but whatever way you can get them out. That's your seeds, and that's the way they look, just like that. And then just drop them in some soil, give them a little water, and yep, they're nice and they're healthy, and they will germinate. Not like that calabash cabbage, okay? Guarantee you. They will germinate. All right, family. All right. So these are my 4 o'clock seeds. So every now and then I get to pick about 20 or so. And many times I could find a lot of them on the ground, you know, if I can catch it before the rain comes. They look like little footballs, right? Oh, there go one right there. You're kind of shaped like a little football. Yeah, so I'm going to grab some more. The thing about them is this is the way they look when they start to make their seed. They are green. Let's see if we're going to find one. Yeah, like that. They're green in there. And then when they're ready, they turn black and they just drop. So if you miss it, then, you know, they're on the ground. Yeah. But let me pick up a little bit more. I hope I can show you one sitting on the plant. Oh, there go one. See, like that? There's another one. She's just sitting there, right? They're ready. So let me get them before they fall. All right. So, yeah. Yeah, I've been eating off of these guys. They're so pretty. They really are. They are gorgeous. But let me tell you, they taste good too. Yeah, they taste good. They really taste good. So this is my the newest. Wait a minute, y'all. Yeah, so this is the newest 100-gallon grow bag, right? So this is the one that I grew. I grew onions in this one, right? And it's doing well. Look at that beet, y'all. She about to be ready, right? So this is what I do early in the mornings. I just come out, and if there is any yellowing leaves like that, I just snap her off. Get them off, y'all. Get those leaves off of there. Because, you know, it's just gonna weigh her down, and she don't need it. So this right here, I'm thinking that's what this is. This is a purple cauliflower. That's who that is. So there's 2 of them in this bed. So we'll see if I'm right. But I think that's what it is, purple cauliflower. Yeah. Because, listen, I dropped so many seeds, and I am not the one that's going to go around and putting labels on everything. I just don't, y'all, because I have too much. So my motto is when she grow up, she'll tell us who she is, right? She'll tell. Yeah, she'll say it out loud. Say it loud. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm going to get in here, get something done in the house. I hope all is well with you and your family. I'm going to need to harvest, y'all. Look at that. I need to harvest. Yay. All right, you all have a wonderful day, and we will see each other in the next video.